This is the final look. My pink glow.
Shine bright like a diamond.
What's up, lovelies? Today I'm going to be doing a ASMR video. My husband always says that I have a aerial whisper, is what he calls it, because apparently he can't hear me when I tell him things. It's quarantine time, I'm in the house and my baby's asleep, so why not? So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude. The Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'm going to clean my brush off with the spray. So here's the Nude palette. So I'm going to use Teddy, which is down here. So like I said, taking Teddy, I'm just going to blend it in. This pink color literally matches my wig. It's not really quarantine time for me because my office is still open. It's just not open to the public. Let's take Raw. Raw is right here. Right here. Wait, right here. And I'm gonna just put it like in the outer corners of my eyeball. I hate that this nail broke. I look gray. So I'm just gonna keep kind of like pat it in there on my eyelid. So putting a roll on this side. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Just patting it in and blending it in on the crease as much as possible. Daydream is right here. It's that pearlized color in here. I'm just gonna add it to my lid. So now I'm gonna grab my liquid eyeliner. I really have loved this Sistar Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. Like, it's been super dope. It's super fine pencil. SaValeur. I don't even know how to say it. SaValeur lashes. I don't know. I wore their Mila lashes already, but I'm gonna do Diem. And these lashes are so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so first of all, these are like super lightweight. And they're pretty. Okay, so I started my foundation, which I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is my go-to all the time. So I am going to pop this on. Sorry, I took my hair down for a second. Okay, fix out of my face, fix out of my face. I just realized that I forgot to color correct. So now I'm gonna have to put that over my foundation, which is fine. Then blend it out. Okay, guys. I feel better than I had in my corrector. I think. Let's go ahead and put my, oh no, putting on my dark Shape Tape concealer. Okay. I'm gonna use the black Radiance setting powder. Sometimes it gets a little bit too yellow for me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. Oh my gosh. Whoa, too much on my nose. Bronzeville. hear my husband. Other side. Oh my gosh, my cheek's kind of itchy. So I think I want to add a little bit of whiter color in the inside of my eye. So take a little bitty brush. And I'm going to put a little bit of the grave color on my inner eye. Oops, on my inner eye right here. This looks like super pink. So I'm going to pop this on. Where's my brush? I usually use Summer and Bronzed. So I'm gonna mix these and put that on my nose. I want to put some on my eyebrow. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and take that same small brush that I used for my inner eye. And I'm gonna take a little bit and put it up here. Alright guys, I'm putting on lip gloss to complete the look. Sorry. I'm putting on the gloss affair and it's called Honey Bunny.